Trust doesn't break all at once. It breaks slowly every time someone lies, hides, or avoids. And once it breaks, the repair doesn't come with words. It comes with presence, with consistency, with time. Sometimes it's not betrayal, not infidelity, not a secret. Sometimes trust erodes because you dismiss their feelings, you stop showing up, you make promises and break them. Trust breaks not just through what we do, but what we keep avoiding. People want to trust again. They want to feel safe. They want to believe, this time it's different. But they also fear, what if it's not? That fear doesn't mean they're unforgiving. It means they're still healing. You can't rebuild trust with words alone. You rebuild trust by showing up. Again and again, you name what happened. You take responsibility. And you prove, over time, that safety has returned. It's not fast, but it is possible. If you broke the trust, the first step is not fixing, it's owning. No excuses, no, but I didn't mean to. Just, I see what I did, and I see how it affected you. Repair starts with full responsibility. I already said I'm sorry. You should be over this by now. What more do you want from me? These words don't bring healing, they bring distance. Instead, try, I know I hurt you. It makes sense that you're still upset. I want to rebuild this, no matter how long it takes. You can't control whether they forgive you, but you can control what kind of person you are every day going forward. Trust doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency, not big promises, but small, steady steps. If you're the one who was hurt, it's okay to still feel unsure. You're not being petty or dramatic. You're protecting your heart. You don't have to rush. You get to heal at your own pace. You don't need to make dramatic gestures. You just need to show up over and over again. Trust rebuilds when you keep your word. You stay calm when they're upset. You listen without defending. These moments speak louder than apologies ever could. Anyone can say, I'm sorry. But trust listens to what you do, not just what you say. The real apology is, I've changed. Show it in the way you speak, in how you respond when they're scared, in how you stay steady, even when it's hard. Trust can't be demanded. It can only be re-earned. That means no pressure, no timelines. You rebuild trust not by proving you deserve it, but by proving you're becoming different. Sometimes the person you hurt won't be ready to trust again, and that's okay. What matters more is that you become the kind of person who can be trusted. Even if the relationship doesn't fully return, your integrity can. Trust doesn't go back to what it was. It becomes something deeper, more honest, more awake. If both people are willing, the cracks can become windows, places where light comes in, and the story becomes stronger, not in spite of the pain, but because of it. Some days you'll feel close. Other days the fear will return. That doesn't mean you're failing, it means you're healing. Healing doesn't move in a straight line. It circles back to test what's been rebuilt. Stay steady. Stay kind. It's working even when it doesn't feel like it. Trust isn't built with promises. It's built with patience, with presence. Every time you show up with honesty, with humility, with compassion, you lay a brick. Over time, that becomes a new home for love to live in. Thank you for joining me for episode 13. Rebuilding trust takes time, but it is possible. In our next episode, we'll explore resentment, how it builds slowly, and how to let go of what keeps you stuck. Until then, lead with honesty. Stay open to growth. And remember, trust isn't just given, it's lived.